Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and I am an English teacher in Busan, South Korea. I am so excited to welcome you to my channel and to welcome you to this video, because in this video we're going to be talking about tech travel essentials. And if you don't know me, I have traveled for over 7 years now, and I've been to about 20 countries. So I have learned a lot, so many lessons to learn about what I should and shouldn't bring. And I think you can learn from me. And for all of these things I'm going to mention, they're like absolute essentials and there is no questions asked. You have to get them. Everything that I mentioned, I'm going to link down below, and if you purchase something from the links, it will help support the channel. Not just that, but I also made a WordPress vlog, and on this vlog I am going to include a checklist of all of the essentials. Well, I'm going to do a master checklist of all of the essentials, and then I'm going to be doing a checklist of the essentials by category, such as today's tech category. If you're looking just for tech, then just stick around to watch this video. But if you're looking for any travel essentials, then click on the link right here. And in this link, I'm going to be talking about bath essentials. And in the next videos, I'm going to be talking about airport and airplane essentials, clothing and other essentials as well. So 2 additional videos after this one. So if you're interested to hear more, then just keep on watching. So the first item, and for me the most obvious item that everybody should have, is Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Now, why earbuds and why not headphones? Because you're going to be sleeping a lot. Let's just say that. You're going to be traveling a lot, you're going to be sleeping a lot. These over-ear headphones are just really uncomfortable to be like sleeping on top of or laying on something. So definitely get earbuds and get wireless, again, because you're sleeping and because you're lugging stuff. You don't want to get the wire to get mixed up in things, right? Like, this is just so much more stress-free to have this and no wires to worry about. And noise canceling, because you're in an airport. Airports are super noisy. It's very hard to nap as it is when you're not at home, and when you're adding people's talking next to you, it's like a whole other thing. And same with airplanes. There's going to be babies crying. There's going to be people talking even though everybody's trying to sleep. And it's just very hard to sleep as it is when you hear the engine of the airplane. And then when you add people talking, it's just like a whole other thing, guys. I don't sleep when I travel. Like, I do not sleep when I travel, which sucks. But some people can sleep really well. And I think these headphones will help. I've been able to like fall asleep with them for little bits of time. Like, super quiet, just a little place of calm in the chaos of your trip. Next up on our item is a tech organizer. Now, the one that I have, I don't really like. Honestly, I don't know why they even call it a tech organizer, because there's like literally just 2 pockets. But I use it to organize my tech. The one that I linked below is amazing, and it's like a dream one. I might even get it for myself. What I really love about the one on Amazon is that it has little slots for every little thing that you would want to organize, for your cables, your external batteries, for your phone, anything, or your external hard drive. I really, really like that organizer, and I think it's one of the best ones out there. And I love the fact that there are 2 slots, so you can literally just fit everything. If you do any kind of filming, any kind of like vlogging, so you have like maybe smaller accessories, extra batteries, it's just going to be amazing. And again, you don't want to be rummaging through your bag when you're already stressed out about traveling. and you're already flustered and there's just like so much going on, so much excitement and things happening. And the last thing you want to be worried about is where in the world is your charger, right? So make sure you organize everything so then you don't have, that's one less thing for you to worry about. Next item on the tech list is a luggage scale. I don't have one with me. I actually did have one, and it wasn't a digital one. It was like a manual one. I don't recommend getting those. I recommend getting a digital one. I linked a really good one below in the link. Save yourself tears, save yourself the money, and weigh your bags before you go into the airport. Guys, I have stories about being at the airport, not weighing my stuff beforehand, going way overweight and having to pay a huge fee. Like there was one really budget airline that I used. It's called Norwegian Air. And if you go overweight, first of all, their weight limit is really low. And if you go overweight, for like every kilogram that you're overweight, it's like $60, which is crazy. It was just nuts. So I ended up going overweight and I had to throw away stuff. And that was like super heartbreaking. And having to break down your suitcase in front of everyone to see, people are gonna be seeing what's inside your suitcase. There were so many people like me, by the way, on that flight, like panicking about their weight. Don't do that. Save yourself the time, the tears, the stress. Weigh your stuff before it. Like you will be surprised by the fact that you might be overweight. So just like a little heads up, most airlines, the maximum weight per bag is 50 pounds. And the maximum weight for a carry-on bag, I believe, is like 27 pounds-ish, something like that. Next up on our list is a power bank. Absolutely essential, guys. You cannot travel without a power bank. I have stories of, for example, I was going from Atlanta to Buffalo on a bus that did not have charging ports. And I had like an old phone that just would not hold a charge, and I did not have a power bank and it died. And I didn't know how to talk to my friend who was meeting me there in Buffalo. And also, we had like a layover in the middle of Cincinnati, Ohio, and it was really, really cold, really early. Places were closed and I couldn't even charge my phone at a cafe. It was just a bad story. Learn from me. Get a power bank no matter what. Always bring it with you. You don't want to be vulnerable in the middle of an unknown, strange place without your phone. So definitely get a power bank. This is an Anchor one. I think most people who shop on Amazon and shop for tech stuff, they know Anchor. It's like the #1 brand for power banks. So get one in the link below. All right, so the next thing is a universal adapter. This is so essential. You should absolutely get this. Do not get ones that are for a specific country or like a specific type. Just get a universal one. You can literally get these anywhere. Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, Amazon, anywhere you can get these. Mine is like a Travel Smart Con Air. It works perfectly. It's been amazing. But just a warning, guys, do not plug in hair dryers, hair curlers, flat irons into this. This is not a heavy duty one. This is just for your like electronics, like your camera, your phone, your computer, okay? So do not do that. You need a converter for that. Yeah, so definitely don't forget to get an adapter, so then you can save yourself a headache of trying to find one when you're in the country. And last but not least is a waterproof phone case. Now this, of course, depends on what you're going to be doing. Are you going to be swimming? Are you going to be skiing? Are you going to be snowboarding? Are you going to be just in the snow and the water? Definitely get a waterproof case. The ones that I've seen like in stores are like kind of bulky, so you can't really like take pictures with it. But the one that I found online looks really awesome. I love the handle on it. I love seeing people's reviews. Like there's people who have taken photos and videos in swimming pools. in the ocean, and they're just perfect. I mean, the videos and photos are perfect, and they're just done on their phone. And everyone's like, yep, absolutely no water found in the case. So definitely get yourself a waterproof case. Thank you so much for watching and reaching the end of the video. If you found it to be really helpful and really useful, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Is there anything that I'm missing? Maybe I'm missing like a really essential items and I could just do another video. Let me know about that. And yeah, don't forget, I have the lists in my WordPress vlog as well, in my WordPress blog as well, so you could just print them out and check off things as you buy them. Watch all the other videos as well if you're just looking for a comprehensive list of things that you should get. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me see if I can... Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is good. Plane and airport essentials. So keep a lookout for the next video. So let's get started first. I'm gonna do a video on tech, bath. Hi everyone. I'm gonna put it in my pocket, but I don't have.